Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of making this vine. I thought about why don't I go ahead and make the inner parts of the leaves and the veins and go ahead and color them and actually put them together. Because I was playing around with this. There's two ways that you can rotate stuff. You can rotate it from object origin or center of rotation. So we're going to go center rotation. I'm going to click on my item and I'm going to double click, and I've got my center rotation at the base of the leaf. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select my path, and I've got center of rotation and the center of the object, and I'm going to hit apply. Now it makes it upside down, but that doesn't really matter because we can always change that. So let's take our path now and let's get rid of our object, and I draw everything in a hairline, so let's make it black, and don't forget to scale with object, and then group this together, Control G, and just mirror it, and there you have a vine. And you could play with that and get the angles of the leaves differently, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.